Hey there, home cooks! Today I'm taking you on a delicious journey through the layers of one of the most comforting dishes ever, lasagna. So roll up your sleeves, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and let's get cooking. First up, let's talk ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 pound of Italian sausage, 1 onion, diced, 4 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 can of crushed tomatoes, 2 cans of tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 3 tablespoons of chopped fresh basil, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 12 lasagna noodles, 24 ounces of ricotta cheese, 1 egg, 3 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Okay, now that we have everything ready, let's get started. First, heat a large skillet over medium heat. Add the ground beef, Italian sausage, and diced onion. Cook until the meat is browned and the onion is soft. Add the minced garlic and cook for another minute. Oh, the kitchen is smelling amazing already. Next, stir in the crushed tomatoes, tomato sauce, and tomato paste. Add in the fresh basil, sugar, salt, Italian seasoning, pepper, and red pepper flakes. Let this simmer for about 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. This sauce is going to be the soul of our lasagna. While the sauce is simmering, let's prepare the noodles. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Cook the lasagna noodles according to the package instructions. Drain them and lay them out on a clean kitchen towel to prevent sticking. Now it's time to prepare the cheese mixture. In a medium bowl, combine the ricotta cheese with the egg and mix well. Set it aside. All right, let's assemble our lasagna. In a 9x 13-inch baking dish, spread a thin layer of meat sauce. Add a layer of noodles on top. Spread a layer of the ricotta cheese mixture, followed by a generous sprinkle of mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. Repeat these layers until you've used up all your ingredients, ending with a layer of meat sauce topped with mozzarella and Parmesan. Cover the baking dish with foil, but make sure to spray the underside with cooking spray to prevent sticking. Bake in your preheated oven for 25 minutes. Then remove the foil and bake for an additional 25 minutes until the cheese is bubbly and golden. Once it's done, let your lasagna rest for about 15 minutes before slicing into it. This helps it set and makes for perfect slices. And there you have it, a mouth-watering homemade lasagna that's perfect for any occasion. I hope you enjoyed this culinary journey and can't wait for you to try this recipe at home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!